How to be mentally, emotionally strong. Let us first understand what is physically strong and then understand what's mentally strong. Physically strong means who is having more stamina, strength, endurance power in their body, correct? Whose muscles powers are very strong, who can lift any strong thing very effortlessly. This is called physically strong, which means if you can uplift any weight effortlessly, that means you are physically strong. And if you need to put so much efforts to do work physically, you are physically weak. Exactly same way, if your mental strength or mental muscles are strong enough, you can handle any situation very easily. That means you are mentally strong. But if your mental strength is not enough, then it's very difficult to handle any minor situations. Now, how to check whether your mental strongness is enough or not? This we can see by how we see the situations or how we react on any problems. Let's create a scenarios to understand how mentally strong you are. First scene. If any problem comes and you put down all your weapons or you surrender to the situation, you just could not do anything to handle the situation. What do you think? How is your mental strength? Weak. Yes, it's a weak mental muscles. It's as same as like a child denies to go to school just because his school bag is very heavy. We keep on tell him, be strong. You have to go with school with this bag. This is weak mental strength. This we think silly things, but when any problem comes to us, we also do the same. We simply give up. But always remember, there is no lock created without a key. Same way, there is no problem comes without a solution. We need to reach till that solutions we get. For that, we need to build thinking muscles. We need to think for solution in this correct way. Now, how to decide what is correct way or wrong way? What is correct way of thinking? It should always be a solution oriented approach towards any problem. And if wrong way of thinking comes to your mind, that means you are going through a wrong way. That's problem oriented approach. We need to think for solution, not problems. Once we start thinking about solutions, we get the ways to solve any problem in life. And if we stick to a problem, we couldn't think about solutions, means our mental strength is weak. Now, let me give you one more situation. Suppose, if you have a problem, but you put so much efforts and somehow you manage to solve that problems. You resolve that problem. Did in this case you are mentally strong? No, because you put so much efforts to mentally strong. Means you can handle any situation, but you have to put so much efforts in this. Whereas mentally strong means any situation if you can handle effortlessly, that means you are mentally strong. Here you are trying very hard to handle the situation and you manage to do so. This is trying to build mental muscle strong. Of course, this scene is better than the first scenario, as You tried to handle the situation from your own. Now, one more situation where you faced very big issue in your life, but you manage it effortlessly. You handle that very easily. You resolve that problem effortlessly. This is called mentally strong. Was that the case? This was not a problem? Or was it you were born mentally strong? Certainly no. It's just that your state of mind who handle the situations is strong enough. You understand it, how flawlessly you can handle any situation in life, any difficult situation. You can handle if you think positively and you think that you can manage anything. This is mentally and emotionally strong approach.